Welcome to this WML Document Platform screencast. In this series, I'll be demonstrating common tasks carried out on our document automation software for document conditioning, variable data publishing, and electronic document delivery applications. We'll also be using this series to demonstrate new features as we add them to the platform. In this screencast, I'll be demonstrating our Secure Forms application. This is a great way to replace a handwritten forms application with a web-based application which you can use on a desktop PC or a tablet. We're looking here at the default screen of our online document processing service, and I'm going to just type in the address of the form portal. There it is. So here's our form portal. This is a user-centric display of one of the templates on our data gateway system. So this template is user configurable, and it's been set up here as an electronic document delivery demo. So we've got a PDF background, which is the WML logo and the coloured stripe down the right-hand side, and then it has a number of fields that can be filled in. So we've got here, if I click on first name, I can fill that field in. The fact that it's got a star here means that it's a mandatory field, it needs to be filled in. And up here it just tells me that that field is called first name. Okay, I'll fill in the second. That's the last name field. I'll fill in the email address. Oops. And I'll put in a fake mobile number. And if I click outside the field, it'll zoom out again. And there's my form that I filled in. To go ahead and print this form, I click on this icon and choose a queue. I'm going to send it to our secure delivery queue and print that off. What the system does now is it'll generate a PDF using the template and the information that I typed in, and it's going to send it on to our electronic document delivery system. That system will then send me an email address, an email message, and that email message will invite me to access the document through our web portal. So let's go and have a look and see if the emails come through. Okay, there it is. Your document is ready for you to download. This email says my sample document's ready, and it's either attached to this email or I can download it from this address. This message here is configurable by the administrators of the system, so that's a templatized email. It can also be HTML format to allow you to apply some formatting to the message. It says here, to access your document, you'll need to enter your name along with this code, 7ZDT. So that I'm going to remember that code and click the link through to the portal. It wants my first name, which you'll notice wasn't in the email, my last name, and the code. This was set up for a for a medium security document access portal, where a customer would be able to access a document without having an actual account provided by the provider of the document. So it's an accountless portal, but it has this one-time code to provide a level of security. So let's get that document now, and we can see that Firefox prevented the site from opening the pop-up, but it tells me in this little download window that it should have opened in a new window, but if I couldn't open it, then I can access the link. So let's click the link, and there is the document, all filled in with the details which I entered earlier. So that's a web-based alternative to using paper-based forms, and you can deploy this application on tablet devices, iPads, and as well as laptops and desktops. That completes this screencast. You can find more information about our software at wmltd.co.uk. Thank you for watching.